Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to start to introduce the idea of the sorting routine called merge sort. And one part of merge sort uses a task called merge, where you take two sorted lists and you merge them together. So we're going to do an easy version of merge, which is a good one for you guys to code. It'll get you practicing sort of your loops and basic logic. Let's walk you through what the merge routine actually does, and then in a bit we'll see how this fits into the actual merge sort routine itself. So here's my merge simple. I have two arrays here. I've called it A and B because I'm really creative, and my goal is to merge these two into one list called C. And so if you pay attention here and you look, you're going to see something about list A, and you're going to see something about list B, and that something is that they're already sorted. Now this is absolutely necessary for this algorithm we're going to write here to work. Okay, it doesn't just work with random numbers. The fact that the lists are sorted is a key idea inside merge and merge sort. So here's the general idea with the algorithm, and then we're going to get you guys to code this into a project that's already set up for you. So here we go. I have my array A, I have my array B. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top of each one. So I'm going to make a little variable here. I'm just going to call it A and B. Now don't confuse this. The array is called capital B. I have this little pointer here at B equals 0 and another little pointer there, A equals 0. I'm trying to keep track that currently I'm on that index position of A, and B equals 0 is letting me know I'm on this index position of B. Now here's the procedure I just keep repeating. I ask myself, which one's smaller? Slot A, which is a 1, or slot B, which is holding a 4? Well, obviously the 1 is smaller, so I put the 1, oh, let me actually do this too here, put a little C0 there. I put the 1 into slot C. And then I advanced my A equals 0 to A equals 1. So now I'm keeping track that I'm over here. So now I'm still comparing these two. I'm always comparing slot A with slot B in the two arrays, and my C equals 0 gets to advance as well to C equals 1, keeping track that the next time I put a number in, it's going to be put in over here. Now just keep repeating this. Which one's smaller? The 2. So the 2 goes in. C is now 2. And A moves up to 2. Which one's smaller? The 4. So the 4 moves in. B goes up to 1. C goes up to 3. And then we ask again, which one's smaller? The 10. So the 10 goes in. C goes to 4. A goes to 3. What goes in next? 20 compared to 13. Or sorry, 20 compared to 12. The 12 gets to go in. So the 12 goes in. C goes to 5. B goes to 2. And this just keeps going and going and going. Now, we're eventually going to hit a point here. And if you just fast forward this and do this yourself, right? You'll see A just keeps moving up. I'll get the 12 will go in. The 13 will go in. The 14 will go in. Then the 20 will go in. Then the 30 will go in. Then the 50 will go in. The 55 goes in. Now when the 55 gets in, my A pointer, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My pointer for A is now outside of the array. And my other one, the last one I was on, was right here. B is still 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the condition where you sort of break out of your main loop. I've gone through, one of my pointers is now outside the bounds of the array. Once this occurs, you know something's true. You know one array has been finished and complete. Well, the rest of the routine should be really easy. No need to compare. Just go to the other array that didn't finish, 60, 61, and just copy those in. 60, 61, and then that'll be outside the array and it's all done. And you'll see the overall result is a nice sorted list. Now I've listed another video there by CS50. You can watch the first 3 minutes of it. It'll show you them doing this with cups. So it's a bit more visual. You may like watching that one. But this routine, not too bad. Just keep track of where you are in array A. Keep track of where you are in array B. Keep comparing which one's smaller. Add that smaller one into array C and keep working your way down. So it's a nice one to do here. I'm trying to remember here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's right. And what you should have afterwards is your array C. Now, how are you going to code this in? Well, you may want to sketch on paper first. Try to come up with, just a little scrap of how you're going to move these pointers around and how you're going to form it. But here's the project we have set up for you. It's in the project called Merge Sort. And you'll see here I've already written the main method for you. It makes a merge sort instance. I have 2 sorted arrays. And then I say, hey, M, simple merge, and I pass it in array A and array B. So those are my 2 sorted lists. It's going to jump up to simple merge, which is right here. And this is what you code. I've already kicked you off by making array C the proper length. Now you write the loop/loops to get that merge routine working. And then once it's all done, I've already got the little printout code for you here, which will just boot through array C and print out all the values. And if your code is good, then what you're going to notice is you're going to notice a nice sorted longer array. And then I send it back to the user because this method sends back an integer array. And that's what I capture here. Okay. So that's basically your task here. Can you put this algorithm that you just saw here, and again, if you watch it in the other videos online, can you put that algorithm into action? This is the simple version. Then in the next video, we're going to come and take a look at the version that's actually used inside the real merge sort method, which is going to be a fun look. Thanks for watching.